In today's video, I'm going to teach you the HubSpot Lead Scoring features. Let's start by opening your HubSpot account and landing on your home dashboard. From there, head to the Marketing section and choose Lead Scoring. This is where you centralize the rules that help your team focus on the most promising work, cut noise, and move faster. Click Create Score. Lead scoring is powerful for business because it aligns what good looks like across marketing and sales. With a shared score, you can prioritize outreach, trigger automation, and forecast pipeline quality with less guesswork. For our walkthrough, choose Deals. Using Deals for this example ties scoring to revenue movement rather than just contact activity, which is ideal when your goal is to accelerate pipeline and close rates. Next, select Deal Score, then click Create to open the scoring builder. Now, click Add Property Group. You'll see two ways to build logic. Property groups evaluate data that already lives on objects, like deal stage or amount. Event groups evaluate behavior, such as page views or tracked actions. Use property groups for stable attributes and event groups for time-based engagement signals. For this demo, we'll continue with a property group. Rename the group so it's clear and maintainable, then click Add Object. Choose Deal so the rules reference deal-level data consistently. In Select a Property, type and choose Deal Score. We're using this because it's a numeric property designed for thresholds and cumulative logic, making it easy to reward deals that have already demonstrated promise. Set the operator to is greater than. Threshold operators are great for building tiers and avoiding one-off spikes. Enter 0 as a simple baseline, then add 20 points. Think of your point values as a weighting system. You can tune them later based on performance. Click Add Property Criteria to layer a second rule. Choose Deal Stage. Stage is one of the strongest indicators of buying momentum because it reflects a rep's qualification and process milestone. For the operator, pick is any of. This lets you match multiple high-signal stages without duplicating rules. Select Appointment Scheduled to reward meaningful engagement that moves the conversation forward. Also select Qualified to Buy, which indicates strong fit and intent. Add another 20 points so these signals stack and surface top deals quickly. When you're done, click Review and turn on. This feature stands out because it unifies your scoring logic in one place, plugs directly into lists, workflows, and reports, and updates automatically as data changes, so your teams always act on the freshest priorities. Finally, click Turn On. Monitor results, adjust thresholds as you learn, and watch your prioritization get sharper over time. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.